Concerns this evening about the Rio Minho, Jamaica's longest river, as sections of it are now running dangerously low. As Sandy Williams reports, some residents have turned what remains into opportunity.
What was once a steady flow is now a patchwork of dry, cracked riverbed as sections of the Rio Minho shrink under intense heat. In other areas, water has all but disappeared, exposing stones and parched earth, clear signs of a worsening dry spell. For residents, the change is alarming.
When we value, we suffer a lot, so we get water, we buy water from the truck.
However, just a few miles away in Moors, the story is different. The river still runs, drawing dozens of residents daily, not necessarily for leisure, but for survival. Bottles and pans are constant companions at the riverbank as residents collect water, some saying it's their only reliable source.
People beer the night, wash with it. Some people take it cook, some people drink it too. Because we don't have no choice. Some people have to use everything, man. Everybody in here have life, man. Because we don't have no pipe water. But the truck have to come and truck the water.
If you never have no room, you know that manage. You buy water every day.
For others, it's a source of income. This woman is one of a few residents turning water into a business. The riverbank doubles as a laundromat, offering a service born out of necessity.
They can come out the river and come back for me. Let me rinse them out, wash them out in the boat, and then dry them come back for me.
So that's what you do as a business?
Yeah, that's what I do for business.
We go for the water. I ever seen to go for the water. Because we don't have no running water as yet. And no water in a pipe.
And yet you still live near the river?
Still live near the river.
I still can't get it?
Still can't get it.
So with climate pressures and human activity continuing to reshape Jamaica's waterways, preserving the rivers that remain may be just as important as trying to restore those already lost. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.